Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful bag, and look at the inside. This is very beautiful bag. Okay, now I am going to take a fabric. This is basically outside actually, and its width will be 60 centimeter and its height will be 32 centimeter. And now I have to take a fusible interfacing with same measurement. Okay, look at this. This is the same measurement. Okay, and now I have to press it with iron. Now it is also 60 centimeter and 32 centimeter, and actually it's a lining, I mean it's the inside part, and this is the bottom part, and it will be the same 32 centimeter and 20 centimeter, and it's also need fusible interfacing. Okay, same size, same measurement. After this, I have to press it away again. After this, I'm going to take more black fabric, and actually it's for handle. Its width is 38 centimeter and height will be 9 centimeter. And I have to take fusing exactly the same measurement. Take it and press it. Now it's time to stitch. Look at this. I fold both sides, and this is the main part. I have to fold it double, and I have to make sure the center, look at this, all the sides are same, and it's a double fold. Okay, now I have to cut. Actually it will be center cut. Look at this. This is for make sure center, and also this I'm going to double fold it and make sure the center. Here will be a center cut and the second center cut. Okay, now I have to align with the top, I mean big one. Okay, look at the way. This is the way I have to stitch from the top. Simply stitch here and stitch second side also. By the way, if you're new here, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Okay, this is for handle. Look at this. I folded it two side. This is the way, and I have to stitch this side and this side, I mean both side to stitch. Look at the handle, and it will be two. Okay, now I have to join it, but I need to the mark for handle. Look at this. Make sure the center, mark here, and 6 centimeter. Here will be 12 centimeter. Mark second side also, same measurement with. Look at the joining the handle. This is the way. Actually I am trying to show you in a practical way. This is a very practical way to make a tote bag. Okay, now it's almost finished, and we can stitch one more time from the top. This side also. Now you can join the handle with second side also. I'm same way, same measurement. Okay, now I have done it. Okay, now it's time to join the lining, actually a part of inside. The handle will be like this inside, and the lining. I am going to joining a stitch. Look at this. The handle will be inside. And now it's time to stitch. One stitch. You can stitch here for 2 times. Second side also. Handle will be the inside. Okay, now it's both sides stitching done. And now we have to fold it. Look at this. we have to align with both joint, and it's time to corner cut. So this is 5 centimeter from here, and this side you can take 6 centimeter also, because we are going to stitch this side, I mean joining side, open side actually. This is second corner, same measurement also. Now cut it, same as measurement. Second side, we have not done yet. We have to cut same measurement. Also this side, I mean lining side, we should cut the lining as we cut it before, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Straight the line and cut it both side. Second corner. Okay, first I'm going to stitch here, but we have to left some space for flip. I mean we have to do inside out, and second side will be full stitch. Now corner stitch, this is the way you can set it. This joint, look at this. Okay, set a pin here for easy stitching, and we need to lining corner also the same way we have to stitch here. For now I am just pin up here. Look at this, simply stitch the corner. Look at this, you can stitch here for 2 times. Second corner also, and main part corner also. Extra fabric will be 2 side here. Now it's time to flip. I'm going to inside out, and this side will be stitch here. Look at this, this is the way you can stitch here. Simply one stitch here. For better finishing you can iron here before the stitch. I will iron later. And we need one more stitch here. Look at the way. After this we will set here a snap button. You can comment a feedback about this video, this way I showed how to make this bag. Is it helpful or not? Any kind of feedback, please you can comment it. And we are almost done. So now we have to iron it. Before iron, I am going to show you the snap button. This is the center. You can set a snap button here. This side also. This is the snap button mark. Finally, we have done it. Don't forget about subscribe and press the bell icon.